Project management can be categorized into 5 groups of processes that help guide a project successfully from beginning to end. Here are project management's 5 process groups according to the Project Management Institute. Initiating is all about getting the commitment to start a project. To get that commitment, you start by defining the project. What's the project supposed to accomplish? What's the scope? What's a rough estimate of the resources needed and the cost? You also identify the project stakeholders and make sure they agree on what the project is. From there, you ask for approval to proceed. Planning is where you figure out how you're going to perform the project. In essence, planning answers the questions, what are we going to do? How are we going to do it? And how will we know when we're done? When the plan is complete, it's time to get approval to launch the project. The next 2 areas involve putting your plan into action. Executing starts with launching a project. You bring your resources on board, get them settled in, and explain the rules you're using to run the project. After that, everyone jumps in to put the plan into action. Monitoring and controlling a project means checking what's going on in the project and how that compares to what you planned. If the project is sliding off track, you take action to get it back on course. Finally, there's the closing process. This part is short but important. You get the client to officially accept that the project is complete. You document the project performance, gather lessons learned, close contracts, and help resources move on to their next assignments. Those are the 5 process groups that represent the project management lifecycle. Put these processes into action consistently, and your projects will run more smoothly.